scissors knee. Hold the knee up. So I'm throwing one. Some people play football like that as well. Throw one, strike the other. Now, if you don't know how to do it, I'll break it down, yeah? You ever seen Karate Kid? Just hold one knee up here, and then jump. That's how you break it down. Start again. Hold one knee up, jump, strike with the other knee. Now to put it together, here.
That's a finish. That's a finish job.
That's a finish job. Let's put the whole combination together one time.
Everyone, it's Master Wong. I'm back again for a beautiful place here in Kent here. I can look for my brother here. I'm going to find him and we'll show you some more new technique. And some of you ask me some more kickboxing flow drill that will helping you to learn properly, because some of you learn some movement there and how to defend your bully. So I come down this place here and ask my brother, what you going to teach them today?
Dynamic-ish here with my good student, Dwayne Jones. So today we're going to teach you, we are going to teach you a kickboxing combination which involves straight, cross, hook, front kick, pushing back. When you get a little bit of distance, just take a slidey step in, jump, and
okay, let's show them how to do that.
Okay, do it nice and easy. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to push 4. When he steps back, 5. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, push, 4, get that distance, 5. Super easy. All right, let's do it properly. Power. Ready, Dwayne?
Ready.
Ha, ha, ha. Hey. Turn it round. Hey. One more.
You don't want to push him out. I got that window on that one.
I was watching for that.
I think that's the technique is quite unique. Why it's unique? It's because when you're doing a front kick, you knock them back already, or off balance. Okay. So how you work is like line. So 1, 2, boom, and front kick, and then soon as back. Ready, and then he coming in, and then boom, and then he knee. Okay. Now this particular knee here, when he came in up, and then he forced it in, it's like boom, drop that right into your chest. Big problem. So the basic movement is when he come in, he go 1, 2, boom, and
front kick,
boom, and bam, like that. Okay, and that's a big problem. To train it like this,
do it again.
1, 2, boom, and 4, and coming in, boom. To train like this is pretty hard if you haven't got a vest on. So when we do this kind of movement, like this kind of movement here, it's quite dangerous. When the knee coming in, it's gonna broken your arm.
You can train with just gloves on, without pads. No way.
With a glove on, it's better. Yeah. When you have glove on, because
hold it like this.
Won't have the glove on. So when you're training, when you're working with this, without the glove on, we go with the skill. Okay. So the length of it, we go to a lot of the knee, or a lot of like a lot of like coming in, a lot of kick. It's a lot of movement coming in. But when we have doing again to me, it's difficult when you haven't got that. But
it's devastating. It could be very injurious.
Because when we teaching you to learn to understand a lot of this movement, we try to cross it over to the self-defense a bit. That's why I don't want to put a glove on to show you, so you can, when you train, you get an idea. Okay. So let's bring you back again, showing on that movement again, on that with training with power and skill. Okay.
All right. So I'm going to break it down now. First one, obviously, from a strong stance, jab, cross. See my positioning, turn. As soon as I do that, push, step back, come in. Now, I suppose the most complicated thing here probably is the jumping knee. Okay, so this is like a scissors knee. Hold the knee up. So I'm throwing one. Some people play football like that as well. Throw one, strike the other. Now, if you don't know how to do it, I'll break it down, yeah? You ever seen Karate Kid? Just hold one knee up here, and then jump. That's how you break it down. Start again. Hold one knee up, jump, strike with the other knee. Now to put it together, here.
That's a finish. That's a finish job.
That's a finish job. Let's put the whole combination together one time.
That's a finish job, that one.
One time, ready?
You ready?
3. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's quite a definition one. That's knock some people. It's a quite
lot of
bad
space.
The nice knockout, huh?
Space and power.
Yes.
Yeah?
You
Finish.
create the space. You create the space with a front kick. So when you do the front kick, you push them back,
And then
that
you
creates
follow
a
up.
space before they recover from front kick.
Pushing more balance.
From front
Yeah.
kick.
And because of
As soon
that,
as you push them
they
back,
lost balance, eh?
don't let them recover, and then follow through.
Straight away, knee. That's
Yeah.
the basically knockout movement.
Curtains close.
Then you have
Lights out.
When you're doing this on the next month, when you come and fight
He's
again?
fighting on the 23rd of February.
On 23rd
You're
February.
gonna see this
Rochester.
then. You're gonna see it then.
You're gonna
Yeah.
see it for real.
So you're gonna do some more of this training, yeah?
He's
Make
fighting
sure-
in a K1 match.
Yeah. So you can use all the sort of different thing, K1, yeah?
Yeah,
Elbow,
of course,
knee,
of course.
everything.
No elbows,
all
K1,
nights.
low kicks, knees, kicks and punches. No elbows.
Okay.
K1 kickboxing.
And then after that, you're gonna do some more MMA stuff, fighting.
Of course, we're
100%.
mixing it all up.
Yeah. So we're gonna have a lot of more stuff that we're gonna go through, so helping you, to teaching you some basic and learning some skill. So some of you out there asking any more question about it, we will helping you to learn some skill. Otherwise, if that movement here, the front kick come along, do a front kick again. If that,
Start from the hook.
Start from the hook again.
So see the way I move from here. 1.
and then the
back.
front kick coming
Yeah.
in from the back. That front kick, you probably kick his goddamn nut come out his mouth.
You can kick,
And I mean,
you can kick anywhere from
Might
on the
pull
streets,
up
from the
on you.
nuts
I might go,
to the belly, from the nut to the belly to the solar plexus.